Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we were doing chapter number 4, that is files and folders in Windows 7. So we in the last session we were doing the question answers from the chapter number 4, and we have already done the first 4 questions of this chapter. Today I am going to start with the next question. Okay, so let's begin with the question answers. So first of all, I'll just write on the topic here, that is chapter number 4. The topic is files and folders in Windows 7. Files and folders in Windows 7. So now we were on question answers, so we are going to continue with it. Okay, so question answers. So the first 4 questions we have already done. Moving next to the 5th one. The 5th question is, why do we need to change the name of a file or a folder? So why do we need to change the name of a file or folder? किसी भी फाइल और फोल्डर का हमें नेम क्यों चेंज करना पड़ता है? सो वाई वी नीड इट? सो वी नीड टू चेंज द नेम ऑफ अ फाइल और अ फोल्डर so that in the future, so whenever it is required, so you can easily relocate that file or you can easily locate that file. ओके हम किसी भी फाइल और फोल्डर का नाम इसलिए चेंज करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंटेंट दैट इज वी हैव सेव्ड इन दैट फोल्डर और द फाइल. तो वो फाइल और फोल्डर में जैसा कंटेंट हमने सेव किया है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली, ओके, सो फॉर सेविंग द फाइल अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंटेंट वी रीनेम द फाइल. उस फाइल को नेम दे देते हैं सो दैट इन द फ्यूचर, सो वेन एवर वी नीड दैट फाइल वी कैन ईजली लोकेट इट by recognizing it from its name. Okay, so that's why we need a file, or this is why it is needed to rename a file or a folder. So write down the question number E. Why do we need, the question number E is, why do we need to change the name of a change the name of a, why do we need to change the name of a file or folder? File oblique folder. So किसी भी फाइल और फोल्डर का नेम चेंज करना क्यों ज़रूरी है? So we need to change the name of a file or folder so that by renaming we can easily or we can quickly, by renaming that file we can easily or quickly relocate that file. We can that helps in relocating the file in the future. So write down the answer number E. लिखिए रीनेमिंग ऑफ अ फाइल और अ फोल्डर is needed so that we can we can quickly locate that file in the future. देखिए not renaming, we need to change the name of a file oblique folder, comma, so that we can easily यहाँ पे एक्चुअली बोर्ड थोड़ा सा खराब है उसमें मतलब ओके so that we can easily or quickly, not easily, quickly, so that we can quickly locate the file in the future. So that's why renaming of a file or folder is required. So this is the answer. So why do we need to change the name of a file or folder? We need to change the name of a file or folder so that we can quickly locate the file in the future. So I'm just going to read each and every word by placing my fingers. So you can, ताकि आपको कोई doubt होगा word क्या लिखा है, that will be clear. The question is, why do we need to change the name of a file or folder? The answer is, we need to change the name of a file or folder so that we can quickly, Quickly, quickly locate the file in the future. Okay, so that's why the renaming of a file and folder is required according to the content that is being saved in that particular folder. So note it down in your notebooks fast. Chaliye. So this is the answer of question number E. Okay, so now you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Now I'm moving to the next question, that is question number F. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number F. The question is, what is the difference between copying and moving? Copying करना या move करने के बीच में difference. So copying and moving a file or a folder. So here we are basically talking about copying and moving a file or a folder. So what is the difference between the copying and moving a file or a folder? एक file और folder को copy करना या move करने के बीच में difference क्या? What is the difference between these two? So the difference between copying and moving a file or a folder is this. So whenever we copy a file, so जब भी हम किसी file को copy करते हैं, so that file will remain on in its original position as well, and the duplicate will appear on the other location where we have saved that particular file. तो उसकी ओरिजिनल लोकेशन जहाँ पे वो फाइल है, तो जब हम उसको कॉपी करते हैं तो वो अपने ओरिजिनल लोकेशन पे तो रहती है, और उसी की सेम डुप्लीकेट दूसरे लोकेशन पे जहाँ पे हम अपनी फाइल सेव करते हैं, दैट विल बी क्रिएटेड देयर एज वेल. The next second one is moving. So what is the moving? So moving means whenever we move a file, so that means we are moving that. So that means that file will not remain on that position anymore. It will move to some new location. तो जहाँ पे वो फाइल है वो वहाँ से हट के न्यू लोकेशन पे आ जाएगी. So that means we are moving the same file. Okay. So moving the file means so we are moving the same file from one location to the another location. That is known as moving the file. Clear? So this is what given over here. यही जहाँ पे दिया हुआ है देखिए. Okay, so question में लिखा है what is the difference between copying and moving? Write down what is the difference, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. What is the difference between, what is the difference, just a minute, what is the difference between copying and moving? C-O-P-Y-I-N-G, copying, and moving, M-O-V-I-N-G, that is moving. What is the difference between copying and moving? So copying और moving के बीच में difference क्या है? So copying means, so whenever we copy a file, the file will remain in its original location and also appear at the new location. Whereas whenever we move a file, the file will get removed from its original location and appear on the new location. So this is the difference between the copying and moving. So let's write down answer number F. So write it down. When we copy a file, comma, the file will remain, the file will remain. So when we copy a file, the file will remain in its original location, in its original location. So when we copy a file, the file will remain in its original location and also appear in A-P-P-E-A-R, also appear in the new location, in the new location, So अभी तो हमने कॉपी के बारे में लिखा है. So when we copy a file, the file will remain in its original location and also appear in the new location. Whereas फुल स्टॉप नहीं आएगा. Whereas when we whereas when we move a file the file will get देखिए मैं एक वर्ड को बोल बोल के लिख रही हूँ ताकि आपको क्लियर हो कि लिखा क्या है. ओके, कई बार क्या होता है कुछ वर्ड समझ नहीं आते, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड. ओके, so whereas when we move a file, the file will get removed from its the file will get removed from its original location and appear in the new location and appear and appear in the new location. Full stop. So this is the difference between copying and moving a file or a folder. So I am just reading it one more time. So what is the difference between copying and moving? So when we copy a file, the file will remain in its original location and also appears in the new location. Whereas whenever we move a file, the file will get removed from its original location and appear in the new location. So this is the difference between copying and moving a file. Okay, so let's read each and word by placing the fingers. What is the difference between copying and moving? Answer is, when we copy a file, the file will remain in its original location and also appear in the new location. Whereas when we move a file, the file will get removed from its original location and appear in the new location. Okay, so this is the answer for the question number F. So you can pause it here and note down the answer for the question number F in your notebooks. So please write it down very neatly and very clearly in your notebooks so that you are able to learn it in the future very well. Chaliye. This was question number F. Now let's move to the next question. That is question number G. Okay. Now moving to the next question. That is question number G. Question number G. The question G is, what is the use of recycle bin? So all you are very well aware of it that we had a default folder on our, we have a default icon on our desktop that is known as recycle bin. So what is the basically use? So why we use this recycle bin? इस recycle bin को हम use क्यों करते हैं? So basically this recycle bin is used, not used, you can say, this is just like a dustbin of the computer. Okay, I have already told this line before. This is just like a dustbin. So whatever files or the folder that or any content that you want to delete from your computer, okay, so whenever you delete जो भी file or folder आप delete करना चाहते हो, so you will click, you will select that file and then delete it, okay, and after deleting that file, okay, that file goes into the recycle bin of your computer. Okay, so there is an icon on the desktop that is known as recycle bin. So जो भी file आप delete करते हो अपने computer memory से, that goes into the recycle bin. Okay, so you can say this is a dustbin, or in the other words you can say this is a second chance, okay, that is given to us by the computer. Suppose अगर आपने गलती से कोई ऐसी file delete कर दी, that is very important. So how you can get that back? So देखिए, अगर आपने कोई file delete की, it will directly go to the recycle bin. But once you have deleted the item or the file from the recycle bin as well, you will not get it back at any cost. So that means that file is completely deleted, or you can say permanently deleted from your computer memory. Okay, so whenever you delete a file, so that goes into the recycle bin. Okay, but once you have deleted that file from the recycle bin as well, so that means that file is completely deleted, or you can say permanently deleted from your computer memory, and you will not get it back. So this is the recycle bin. Now the question is, what is the use of recycle bin? So what is the basically use of recycle bin? So that is, recycle bin basically displays all the files that we have deleted from our computer memory. So this is, you can say, the files that we delete from our computer memory, that goes into the recycle bin, and it displays all the deleted files that we have deleted from the computer memory. Okay, तो लिखिए, क्वेश्चन लिखिए. So question is, what is the use of recycle bin? Okay, तो लिखिए क्वेश्चन. So देखिए, आपको सिर्फ इसमें use mention करना है. You have to mention the use only. Okay. So let's write down the question. What is the use of recycle? What is the use of recycle bin? So what is the use of recycle bin? So all the files that we have deleted from the computer memory, that goes into the recycle bin. Okay, so that means it displays. So recycle bin displays all the deleted files from our computer. So in other words, the recycle bin appears and it displays all the files that we have deleted from the computer memory. So the recycle bin, answer for 6th. नहीं होगा. Okay, so it will be the recycle bin. Yes, the recycle का R बड़ा, bin का B बड़ा. The recycle bin displays all the files. The recycle bin displays all the recycle bin displays all the files that so recycle bin displays all the files that we have deleted, full stop. So recycle displays the file when displays all the files that we have deleted. Okay, full stop. Once the file is deleted from the recycle bin as well, okay, so it cannot be restored again. Okay, once the deleted files, once the files are deleted, from the recycle bin, once the files are deleted from the recycle bin, comma, once the files are deleted from the recycle bin, comma, it cannot be restored again. Okay, it cannot be restored, restored, that is restored. Okay, so once the files are deleted from the recycle bin, it cannot be restored again. Full stop. Okay, so this is the function of the recycle bin. So what is the use of recycle bin? The recycle bin displays all the files that we have deleted. Once the files are deleted from the recycle bin, it cannot be restored again. Okay, so I am just reading the one each and every word by putting the fingers here, so please listen. What is the use of recycle bin? The recycle bin displays all the files that we have deleted. Once the files are deleted from the recycle bin, it cannot be restored again. Okay, so this is the answer for the question number G. Okay, now after this, the next question now. So this was the last question from the fourth part, that is answer the following questions. The next is application based questions. Okay, so here in the application based question, they have given this situation and we have to answer these questions, okay, according to the situation. So two questions are given. Kamal has created the files of different subjects and stored them on the desktop. He wants to keep them in a folder named after him, but he does not know how to create a folder on the desktop. Help him to do so. So now in this application based question, so as you can see, तो कमल के को एक folder बनाने के लिए हमें steps बताने हैं. So in the application based question, you have to mention the various steps that are being used to create a folder. Okay, similarly in the B1, now Kamal wants to move the folder to the documents folder. Help him to do so. So in the B question, you have to write the steps that are being used for moving a file to the another folder or folder to another place. So you have to mention that one. So these are the two application based questions that we will discuss in the next session. So for today, this is with this I'm just ending the session. Okay, so this was from a today's session class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.